Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stamp Up Demonstrator in Australia. Welcome, I'm so glad that you're here. I've got a really quick video just to highlight something new for this month that I'll be continuing for the next ever. Normally you guys know that anyone who shops with me in the month receives some free gifts, and I'm sticking with those. I am changing it up just slightly. So for anyone who places an order with me using the host code in that month, you're going to receive this Simple Sweet Stampers tutorial bundle, which is an amazing bundle. It focuses on one suite each month, and there are 12 tutorials, full color photos, all your measurements, instructions. This is an amazing tutorial. It's actually worth money. Like, you can purchase it over on my blog. So, but if you shop with me, you get it free, and any size order will receive that for free. Now, if your order is over $65 before postage, you'll receive the Simple Sweet Stampers tutorial bundle as well as the monthly tutorial bundle. Now, this is always packed with some really wonderful projects in it. You'll receive between 40 and 55, that's sort of around the usual number each month. Full color photos, measurements and instructions, and some do come with videos as well. So that tutorial bundle is an amazing bundle, and the two tutorial bundles is lots and lots of inspiration for the month. Now, something that I'm adding in to each month is a free card class, which is super fun. You'll actually be able to watch the card class in one of my videos throughout the month on my Tuesday lives. I will bring you the card class for free. You get to watch it. Anyone gets to watch it. But if you're spending over $100 before postage, you will get to receive the kits. I'll send them out to you in the mail, and you can create those kits. Now, I'm hoping to be able to bring you a video each month before the class goes live. That way, you know at the beginning of the month what stamp set or bundle or the products that I'm using for the class. And then that way, if you don't have that that bundle, you can then purchase that bundle or stamp set or whatever it is up to the value of $100 before postage, and you'll get the kits for free. So that'll include all the card kits, which is super fun. I think this is going to be so much fun, and yeah, I hope that you're going to enjoy it as well as, being my customer. So for the month of August, we are using the Changing Leaves bundle. Let me show you. It's in the online exclusive, so it's not in a catalogue. You'll only find it in the online store in the online exclusives section. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this one. This is the Changing Leaves. So you've got 3 beautiful leaf images and then some great sentiments here. I love the mixture of fonts, and there's a little bit of there for everyone. So this is Changing Leaves. You can purchase it in the bundle, and I highly recommend that you do, because look at these dies. You have one large die with the big images. It cuts out all 3 at once. And then you have some smaller leaves with some label dies as well, and they're stitched. So cute. Love that. And this is one of those hybrid embossing folders where you can cut and emboss all at once. So that's super fun, isn't it? I love these. And this is the embossing folder. And can I tell you, this is a 3D embossing folder. So stunning. The detail that comes in your embossing is gorgeous. Now, this bundle actually comes out to the cost of $94.50. So you purchase this bundle as well as, I don't know, something small, whether it be, a pack of embellishments or a bolt of ribbon, something like that. You're going to go over that $100 order, and you're going to get this kit absolutely free. So the inks that I'm using with this class are Granny Apple Green, Pretty Peacock, and Blueberry Bushel. So if you don't have one of those ink pads or multiples of those ink pads, I recommend grabbing those. Although what's really great is this card kit, you could use any color or any ink color to create your cards. So let me share the cards with you. So the first one is this one here. I've also used the the blending brushes for this card, but you can get away with using, you know, a bit of sponge or stamping the daubers, whatever you have in your stash. But look at that beautiful detail in that embossing folder. Now the other thing is if you don't like that changing leaves bundle and you've got like a leaf bundle at home with, you know, a different embossing different embossing folder, you could certainly change these out to be, you know, to a card that you would like to do. You don't have to use that changing leaves bundle, but I think it's really, really beautiful. But yeah, change it out to what you have in your stash as well. So that is the first one. The second card is this one here, which is really pretty. And then we have our third card, and I will be having this free class here on my YouTube channel. If you're not already subscribed, please do, so you don't miss the free online class each month. Isn't that gorgeous? And I will have these die cut. This is the Spotlight on Nature dies, so they will come in your kit already die cut, and you'll have your embellishments and the ribbon as well. Okay, so 3 cards using the Changing Leaves bundle, free with a purchase of $100 in my online store in August. And you also receive the 2 other thank you gifts of the Simple Sweet Stampers tutorial bundle and the monthly tutorial bundle. So come shopping in my online store, and I look forward to sending those kits out to you at the end of the month. All right, everyone, enjoy your day. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I would love it if you hit subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video with your friends and family. If you've got friends and family that may be interested in getting a free card kit each month with purchase, let them know. All right, everyone, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all really soon. Bye-bye.